Meet John. John is looking to sell his lovely home, but it needs a lot of work. John's not a do-it-yourselfer and doesn't want to deal with paying for and overseeing a bunch of home repairs. He'd rather sell his property as is and not endure the usual hassles that come with working with a real estate agent, like prep work, repairs, and costly fees. John contacted Leave The Key Homebuyers, a local home buying company in Queens. It's a trusted business that helps homeowners sell their homes quickly, regardless of its condition. The process is easy. Just call or submit your property details and they'll schedule an appointment. During your appointment, they'll discuss the process, tour the property with you, and then make a fair cash offer. Finally, once you accept the offer, you can pick your closing date. Leave The Key Homebuyers is a quick and efficient way to sell your home on your terms. Within a few short days, John sold his home and had a generous check in hand, all without lifting a finger on home repairs, making it showroom ready for open houses, or stressing over whether a potential buyer will fall through. Ready to sell your home? Give us a call now at 631-388-7771 or learn more online at leavethekey.com.